Hey everybody, welcome to Case Digital. My name is Zach and I just want to say thank you so much for stopping in. This is my channel's first video. I'm super excited because I'm a software developer and I love making software and I love learning different parts of the software development process and just programming in general. I do it as a hobby. My wife sometimes, she's like, you gotta stop programming, you gotta let's go do something. And I just love it. I just love programming and making cool things. People make skyscrapers and people make awesome bridges and really cool things that, in the physical world people see, but it's kind of cool because in the software land, you are the creator and you can create really anything you want. You can create anything from a simple application that just can say hello, or a little chat bot that you can type something and it'll echo you back, or it'll respond with a different thing. Or you can make really cool things like artificial intelligence assisted parking. I mean, talking about using computer vision and artificial intelligence to help people find an open parking spot so that they can park their car in a busy environment. I mean, you have so many possibilities that you can do with computer science and software development, and I just love it. I'm currently going back to school to get my master's degree in computer science, and I want to share that journey with you. I want to share that journey, and I want to share learning different programming languages and techniques and software development things that I think will be, one, will help me learn and hone my skills more, but and two, for those that are just starting computer science or just getting into the world of software development, can help, or helping a startup, you can help define processes and do things to help yourself or your company, or just grow and learn in computer science like I'm trying to do. I wanted to start this channel because I had this idea that I was like, I want to learn, I want to better understand what I do. I guess what I mean by that is I wanted to better hone my skills in the processes that I do for developing software, better my skills in understanding the languages and how I can eke out or squeak out more performance in the apps or the programs that I write. And it really just excites me because I was thinking about it and I was like, well, I could write something, or write a document and just keep that going. But I'm kind of a visual person, and at least lately I've become a very visual person in learning. And the best way to learn is either just by just hammering out on a keyboard, just getting things going, building stuff up, seeing it fail, and then after hours and hours of debugging, finally succeed. But then I was like, I could do that and I could figure it out myself, or I could also document it in YouTube and allow my friends and my family and all of you who have been wanting to learn about programming and software development, we can learn together. I'm hoping that in the comments below in all these videos, you'll comment and say, hey, that was a pretty good technique, but hey, if you tried this might be a little bit better. Or hey, let's learn about a specific programming language, or let's learn about a specific technique, or let's learn about just different aspects of computer science and software development. And so that's what I'm really hoping that this channel can really be about, is essentially you and I going through the journey of becoming better software developers and creating cool things on the way. I don't want this just to be like, well, here's this programming languages, but I want to build projects and I want to do things together. I will have stuff on here though for people that are learning programming or computer science, so they can learn, because I feel like that will help me better my skills in those programming languages, as well as learn new programming languages. But it'll also help those that are wanting to learn code or programming or whatnot, like that'll help them learn that second language. Because I really think that we live in a world where computer science and programming and coding, if you will, is another language. I mean, you have languages like Spanish, you have languages such as German, French, all these different languages out there that people use to communicate. But we live in a world where, if you know programming, that language of C or C++ or Python, you can speak essentially to a computer and make it do the things that help make your life easier. I mean, I'm talking things like, maybe sorting things on your computer, or automating sprinkler systems, or helping you keep reminders, or building a to-do list app or something like that. Like, I just think it's amazing the things that you can do. And I really want to make this channel about projects, the basics, but also advanced concepts where we learn, the different techniques that I feel are helpful for companies, like continuous integration and just different things that we'll get into more. But in the comments below, please leave some comments about what you would like to learn about. Let's learn together. Let's do this together, and let's just learn to code. And we'll see you next time.